Hi everyone, welcome to our channel Gadget Grabs. On today's tutorial, I'll guide you how you can get Universe ID on Roblox Mobile. Without any further ado, let's get directly on the video. You need to open Roblox on your device. Once you open Roblox, make sure you have logged in on the account of Roblox. Then on bottom right corner, you can see the three-line icon. Tap on it, and once you appear here, scroll down and here you can see create option. Tap on create. Once you appear on this create page of Roblox, on the top left corner you can see three horizontal line. Tap on it and tap on creations. Once you are on the creations page, you can see your universe ID here. Simply tap on it and tap on three dot line and now tap on copy universe ID. So in this way you can easily get the universe ID on Roblox Mobile. If you find this video useful, then hit the like button, and if you are new to our channel, then subscribe it for more tutorial videos and hit the notification bell so that you can get notified about the latest videos on our channel. Thank you.